Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another part of this video trying to do a little bit different. And actually this was a lot more difficult than I thought. You can't clone everything. So I had to go with an oval. So I'm going to use an oval and get it pretty close to center, and I'm going to take the delete key and delete the bottom half of the oval. And then I'm going to go to edit and clone. Then I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to put my rotation. Now you can't, I don't think you can use the transformation docker in this with this clone. It should have been 1.5. Control D to 3 degrees and then keep going all the way around. I'm not going to take your time for the video to do that, but now that this is a clone, you can take your shape tool and go, well, I want them a little further apart. I've actually got a node there. Take this one and move it out. Look what it did to the other ones. So let's say I want this one on that side of that one. You got that space. Let's say they're not quite tall enough. Make them a little taller. You could do a lot with this because you can look at it in real time, basically. You know, there you got a half of a diamond and 3 diamonds. You know, you put it back here and you've got a long open diamond and 2 diamonds and a snow cone looking thing. So you could play around with this till the cows come home. And I mean, there's so many things you can do with it. You can make them all blue, make them all black, make the line thicker, thinner, because it's a clone and is doing what you ask it to do, or doing what you're telling it to do. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.